Welcome to our video on the top 5 trading indicators for beginners. These indispensable indicators will help boost your trading game, so stick around to learn more. First up, we have the moving average indicator, which is the most commonly used tool for traders. It helps in identifying the trend direction and strength based on the average price over a certain period. Next, we have the relative strength index, which is used to measure the momentum of the market using an oscillator. It helps in identifying overbought and oversold conditions, which are crucial for traders. The third one on our list is the Bollinger Bands indicator, which helps in measuring volatility in the market. It uses a series of lines to represent standard deviations for a moving average. Traders use this to identify the potential price movements. The fourth indicator on our list is the Fibonacci retracement tool, which is used to identify potential support and resistance levels. It uses a series of horizontal lines based on the Fibonacci sequence to predict retracements in the price of an asset. Lastly, we have the MACD indicator, which stands for Moving Average Convergence Divergence. It's a trend-following momentum indicator that shows the relationship between two moving averages of a security's price. Traders use it to identify potential trend reversals and momentum shifts. And that's it, folks. These are the top 5 trading indicators for beginners that will help boost your trading game. Don't forget to try them out in your next trades and see the difference they can make. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting trading tips.